Here is a live website. Now watch, I'm going to change a cell in this spreadsheet and boom, the site just updated. No touching the website. Let me show you exactly how this works. Hey everyone, what you just saw there is a 3-node n8n workflow connecting a Google spreadsheet directly to a Tiiny Host site. Every time your data changes, your website updates automatically. No manual uploading, no copying, and no pasting. And right now, we're gonna build it from scratch. So we're gonna need 3 things: a Google Sheets node to pull in the data, a code node to turn that data into a full HTML page, and a Tiiny Host node to push it live instantly. Let's get into it. Now, before we build the workflow, we're going to need to install the Tiiny Host community node into n8n. To do that, you need to head over to your settings, then click Community Nodes, click Install a Community Nodes, and type in n8n-nodes-tiny-host. Agree to the prompt and hit Install. Then give it a moment and you'll see it appear in your node library. Next up, we're going to build the actual workflow. So we're going to create a new workflow and add a Google Sheets node as your starting point. You'll need to connect it to your Google account. You'll just need to authenticate it with 0auth. And once that's done, set the operation to get many rows. Select the spreadsheet and the sheet you want to pull from and hit test step to make sure that your data is coming through correctly. Now you should see your rows appear as individual items on the output panel. Each column becomes a field. So for example, in our NBA scores demo, we've got fields like home team, away team, score, status, and so on. Now, the key thing here is that each row becomes its own item and that flows into the next node. Next up, we're going to add a code node and connect it to the Sheets node, but make sure that the language is set to JavaScript and the mode is set to run once for all items. Now, this is important because we want it to process all the rows together and generate a single HTML page. Now, this is where the magic happens, because in the code node, you write a JavaScript that takes your spreadsheet rows and builds a complete HTML page for them. And here's the pattern that I've used, and it's going to be there for you to take too in the description of this video. Now, the critical part though is that last line. You're returning an object with a key called HTML that contains your full HTML string. That's what gets passed to the Tiiny Host node next. You can make this as simple or as sophisticated as you like. You can add CSS, JavaScript, dynamic layouts, whatever you need. But the example that we've included in the description uses this exact pattern to build a full NBA live scores dashboard with styled cards, live indicators, and a scheduled games table, all generated automatically from a spreadsheet. Now for the final piece, add a Tiiny node and connect it to your code node. To set up the credentials, click on the credentials field and create a new Tiiny API credential. To get your API key, head back into your Tiiny Host account, go to account settings and copy your API key from there. Paste it in and save. Now, to configure the node, we need to set the operation to update site. This will mean that every time that the workflow runs, it's going to push the new HTML to your existing live site. Same URL, but fresh content. In the site link field, enter the full URL of your existing Tiiny Host site. So for example, nbalivescores.tiny.co. And then for the HTML content field, this is where you're going to reference that output from your code node. So type this following phrase in, and that shortcode will just pull in the HTML value that your code node generated and sends it directly to Tiiny Host as the new content for your site. And now we're going to hit test step, and within seconds your site is updated and live. Now the final step is to set this workflow on a schedule so it runs automatically. You can add a schedule trigger at the start of your workflow, and you can set it to run every few minutes or every hour or whatever interval makes sense for your data. And now every time your spreadsheet updates, your live site updates with it, completely hands-free. And that's it. we've connected a Google Spreadsheet to a live website using n8n and Tiiny Host. No manual uploads and no extra tools. Now, once your site is live on Tiiny Host, you also get access to features like built-in analytics to see how many people are visiting, password protection if you only want certain people to access the page, and QR code generation so you can share it instantly from your phone. I'm going to drop all the links to the n8n community node and the example code node script in the description box below. But if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.